Hello everyone, it's Harry here again from Edencraft Boats, and I'm here to introduce you to another formula, the love of my life, as you all know. Love these boats. This one belongs to Michael Zontos. Michael came to us a while ago and he wanted a boat for himself and his sons. He's already got a big boat, roughly the same size, but he wanted something special, so he's come to us and he's put together a beautiful rig, specialised rig. It's got a fair bit of gear on it, and I'll go through all of that in a minute. The whole rig sits on an easy tow alloy trailer. This one's got skids all through the trailer. You can either go Q rollers or skids, it doesn't really matter. It's the same experience with either or trailer. One of the first things that Michael insisted on was the brand of the engines. He loves his Suzukis, so he went for the magnificent 300s. We haven't seen these for a while, but I can tell you now, they surprised the hell out of all of us down here. So Michael's gone for a Hardtop 233 Classic. And the interesting thing is, he went for a transom mount. So with a transom mount, along with the 600 litre tank. Now, as we all know, the standard tanks are 420 litres, but you do have an option of a 600 litre tank, and that's what Michael's gone for. And that's what made it a little bit tricky for us to set up with the twin 300 Suzukis. We actually did 4 sea trials on this boat till we got it right, and let me tell you something, it's an experience. She's a beautiful boat to drive, so we tried a few different props. We ended up with the Suzuki 4-blade props, and sticks to the water, turns beautifully. You'll see all that in the videos coming up anyway. But yeah, just a magnificent boat to drive. Michael's gone for a double seat, a back-to-back seat. He's also gone for some tackle lockers on the side, some custom tackle lockers, and also a suspension seat. So it's the Shockwave system, and yeah, like more and more people want a lot more comfort out at sea, and the Shockwave gives you that. Some of the things that Michael insisted on was a toilet with a macerator. We've also got a pie oven, and he's opted for a leaning post as well with a game base. So that's going to make, obviously, those long fights out at sea on marlin or tuna or whatever else you're chasing a lot more comfortable. Another feature that we haven't seen on our boats for a while, and Michael insisted on it, was the hatch. So we've installed a hatch for him in the bow, and you'll see that through the video as well. But yeah, looks a little bit different to all our other boats, but I think we'll get a few more orders of those in the future. In terms of purpose for this boat, Michael knew exactly what he needed. He fishes the East Coast, New South Wales East Coast, and chases our regular species, marlin, tuna, deep dropping, you know, for your blue eye and everything else. Also, you know, trawling around for whatever other species around, your dolphin fish, bottom drops for flathead, the whole thing. So we've set it up for all those purposes. So you'll see the outrigger bases. We've used the Reelax 600 Juniors on this. We've got 20-foot poles and a shotgun rigger as well. I just want to say from myself and the whole Edencraft crew down here, congratulations, Michael. Michael and family, I'm sure you're going to enjoy this boat immensely, and the way the marlin fishing is shaping up, we're all going to have a fantastic season. Enjoy it, and can't wait to see the photos.